How to delete Snapchat account. It's pretty quick and easy, so before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Snapchat and make sure that you have a latest version. If you don't have the latest version, go to your app store and first update your Snapchat account and then click on the Snapchat app. And then click on your profile icon at the left top of your screen, and you have to go to your settings or a gear option at the right top of your screen. Now you have to scroll down until you find the delete account option. Here's the delete account option. Just click on that one and wait for the next page. Just wait, and then you can see this type of page. What you have to do, just enter your email or username. If you do remember your username, enter your username. If you forgot your username and you remember your email address, just enter your email address. Just below this, you can see use phone number instead. If you remember your phone number which you enter while creating your Snapchat account, you can use this number instead of your email address or username. Just enter your email address and then hit the next. You can see the blue mark. Just click on the next. Now you have to enter your password. Just enter your password and then hit the next option. You can see here. Now it will send an email to your email address. Just email address or your phone number instead, whatever it is. Just copy the code from your messages or email and then get out of here, paste this code here and then hit the next. It's incorrect. Just get out of here and go to your email address. If you enter your email address, you have to go to your mailbox and check the code there. Here is the code. Just copy your code and get out of here and go to your Snapchat again. Enter this code here and then hit the next option at the bottom of your screen. And then just wait. Now you can see this kind of page, the delete account. This is information about deletion of account. So just read all this carefully, and just below it you can see your username. Just below your username you can see the password option. You have to enter the password of your Snapchat account and then hit the continue option, and then you can easily delete your Snapchat account. So this is the way to delete your Snapchat account. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.